Welcome to Webstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to increase RAM on Android phone. If your phone is slow, hangs, or you don't get good performance while playing games or using resource-intensive apps, then here is how you can increase ROM and RAM of your Android device. To do that, go to Settings, scroll down, select About Phone, Software Information, look for build number and tap it 7 times. It will enable developer options on mobile. Go back. From settings, scroll down, and here are developer options. Select developer options. Search 4X MSAA. Select this option. Enable it. This will increase your phone RAM. But keep in mind that your phone will drain battery a bit faster. But you will experience peak performance in games. Phone lag will be gone. It will run buttery smooth. If you feel that phone is heating up, disable this option and only enable when you need it. Now here is how you increase ROM on device. Increasing ROM will give your phone more space. Go back and go to settings. Search Force Allow Apps on External. Select this option. It is also in developer options. Enable this option. This option needs a memory card on your phone. If your phone has memory card, it will now store apps data on that memory card. Once you do that, restart your phone. You will see considerable performance boost and free up some space in mobile. Also, you can go to settings, scroll down, select apps, sort by size, press OK. Delete heavy apps that you are not using. It will also free up some space in mobile. So this is how you can increase ROM and RAM in your mobile phone. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.